Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer data from DynamoDB to Redshift with AWS DMS, complete guide step by step clearly. The first step is to sign in to your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the AWS Database Migration Service, also known as DMS. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to create replication instances and migration tasks. Click on Replication Instances on the left side of the DMS dashboard. Select the Create Replication Instance button. Fill in the required information including the name, description, and instance class. Choose the availability zone based on your needs. Set the storage settings according to your data volume and performance requirements. Click on the Create button to initiate the replication instance. Wait for the instance to become available, which may take a few minutes. Next, navigate to Endpoints in the DMS dashboard. Select Create Endpoint to configure the source and target databases. For the source, choose DynamoDB as the endpoint type. Enter a name for the DynamoDB endpoint. Fill in the necessary authentication details for your DynamoDB table. Set the table name that you want to migrate. Now, create a target endpoint for Amazon Redshift. Select Redshift as the endpoint type. Provide a name for the Redshift endpoint. Fill in the required connection details such as cluster identifier, database name, and port. Add the credentials for accessing your Redshift cluster. After both endpoints have been created, navigate to Database Migration Tasks. Click on Create Task to start the migration process. Give your migration task a name and select your source and target endpoints. Choose the migration type as either Migrate Existing Data or Migrate Existing Data and replicate ongoing changes. Configure the task settings based on your preferences. Select the appropriate tables and mappings for your migration. Once everything is set, click on Create Task to proceed. The task will start running, and you can monitor its progress from the DMS dashboard. Check for any errors or issues during the migration in the task details. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.